Hello students, today I am going to start with the topic properties of metal and non-metal. This video is for class 8th and in this video we will discuss only about the physical properties of metal and non-metal. So let's start the video. Before starting the physical properties, we must know about the metals and non-metals. So first of all, metals. A metal is a material that is typically hard, opaque, shiny and has good electrical and thermal conductivity. Metals are generally malleable. They can be hammered or processed permanently out of shape without breaking or cracking, as well as fusible, able to be fused or melted, and ductile, able to be drawn out into a thin wire. So this is about the metal. Non-metal. A non-metal is a material that is dull, softer. It mostly lacks metallic attributes. Physically, non-metals tend to be highly volatile, easily vaporized, have low elasticity and are good insulator of heat and electricity. 17 elements are generally classified as nonmetals. Most are gases: hydrogen, helium, nitrogen, oxygen, fluorine, neon, chlorine, argon, krypton, xenon, and radon. One is a liquid, example is bromine, and few are solid like carbon, phosphorus, sulfur, selenium, and iodine. These are some examples of nonmetals. Now start the discuss about the physical properties of metal. First is hard and strong. Metals are generally hard, strong, solid. They are strong enough to bear heavy load such that they have a high tensile strength. We generally look for a metal when we need a strong material. This is because metals are in general hard and strong. Some examples of metal are magnesium, aluminium, iron, etc. But there are few exceptions. Sodium and potassium are soft solid which can be cut with a knife, and mercury is a liquid under ordinary conditions. Whereas in non-metals, most of them are gases, only few are solid, which are not very hard in nature. Next property of metal is lustrous. They have a luster known as metallic luster. For example, aluminium, iron, zinc, copper, silver, and gold all are lustrous. Such metals can be polished too. Next is sonorous. Metals are sonorous. When struck, they produce a sound called a metallic sound or metallic clink. Recall the ringing of a bell or the click of coins. Next property of metal is malleability. Metals are malleable. In other words, they can be beaten or rolled into sheets. Aluminium, iron, copper, or silver can be beaten or rolled into thin sheets. Common examples are the silver foil used to decorate sweets and aluminium foil used to pack food stuff. One more property is ductility. Metals are ductile, means they are flexible and can be drawn into wires. For example, iron, aluminium, copper, silver, and gold can be easily drawn into wire. You can draw a wire from a piece of wood or coal. No, because wood and coal are brittle, not flexible. Metals are good conductor of heat also. They allow heat to pass through them easily. Due to this property, we use metal utensils in kitchen. Heat supplied at one place of the utensil is conducted all over it. You cannot use a frying pan made of, say, Cardboard because it is a bad conductor of heat when you place it over fire. Cardboard does not distribute the heat all over the fan, instead it starts burning due to the localized heat. So metals are good conductor of electricity also. They allow an electric current to pass through them easily. This is why electricity is transmitted from one point to another through metal wire like those of copper or aluminium. Silver is the best conductor of electricity. The next best is copper and then aluminium. You cannot use nylon or jute ropes for electrical transmission as nylon and jute are bad conductor of electricity. So after the physical properties of metal, we will discuss about the physical properties of non-metals. In contrast to metal, non-metals are not known for strength. They are usually lustreless, means dull, except graphite and iodine, brittle if solid, bad conductor of heat, bad conductor of electricity except graphite. Graphite is a form of carbon. Non-sonorous means they do not produce a metallic clink. Of the 24 non-metals known today, 12 are solid. Example: carbon, silicon, phosphorus, sulfur. One is liquid. Example is bromine. And 11 are gases. Example: hydrogen, nitrogen, oxygen, fluorine, chlorine, helium, neon, argon under ordinary conditions. So students, I hope you like this video. In our next video, we will discuss about the chemical properties of metal and non-metals.